Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, today we are going to be jailbreaking iOS 18, and more particular, this is an iPad 7th generation right here, and this one is currently running iOS 18.7.9, and you can see here just from the model from the back, I don't know if you can actually see that, it's an A2197, just to prove it is an iPad 7th generation. Now guys, today in this video you are going to need a few things. First things first, obviously you are going to need your iPad, you are going to need a laptop or computer, ideally Mac OS. It will work on Linux, and there is another alternative to Windows as well. The jailbreak we are going to be installing is called Pale Rain. The one for Windows is called Palon 1X, but we're going to go through Pale Rain in this video. So this is going to be for Mac OS and Linux based. You will need a USB to Lightning. I would always suggest as well, it has to be a USB-A to Lightning, even if it is with an adapter. For some reason, the USB-C to Lightning, straight out the cable, it struggles to put it into DFU mode. So make sure you have a USB-A to Lightning one here. Now, just other things to mention before we go ahead. If your device has an A11 chip in there, then there are a few caveats. You must disable all of your passcodes, as it will not work with a passcode on there. If you have an A11 device which is on iOS 16, and you've set a passcode before, you will need to erase all content and settings in order to be able to jailbreak it. So without further ado, let's get into this. Okay guys, so first what we're going to do is go and search iOS guide and then click home on here. iOS guide, click get started and go to iPad. Then I'm going to scroll down and select the iPad 7th generation, and there you can see installing Pale Rain 18.7.9. So make sure that you read all this carefully. As I said, there are some caveats to A11 devices. You can do Windows here, except it's not Pale Rain, it is something very similar. And then you've got Mac OS and Linux. Linux is a little bit more complicated, so I would recommend using Mac OS. However, the guide is there, but we're going to be doing Mac OS today. So you can see here all of the instructions. So I'm going to move over to my Mac, as the first thing we need to do is actually install Pale Rain itself. And we do this as a command in the terminal. So open up your terminal, hit Command Spacebar, and you can hit the spotlight and search for terminal there. Then here we go, we're in the terminal. We're just going to literally copy and paste this part into the terminal itself. Once you copy it, go and paste it in the terminal and hit enter, and it will ask you to type in your password for your MacBook. So get that typed in and it will go away and install very quickly, like you can see right there live. Now, it is installed. Once it is then installed, we can then move on to the next part. First, this part is you're going to want to plug in your iPad, as we discussed before, with a USB device, and we are going to now run Pale Rain. So go back and copy this command and back into your terminal, go and click paste and hit run. I came across so many problems in this, from holding down the buttons and struggling to get it into DFU mode, and then it timed out. I finally managed to get the iPad connected properly, and then I still struggled with holding down the power button, getting into DFU mode. You can see here in the corner that I'm holding it down. I released the power button, and at this minute, if you remember, it says checkmate to unplug and plug it in. I missed it. That's right. So we then had to go and start this process all over again. So here I go again. Close terminal down completely, do Pale Rain, go and hold it down. I remember to unplug it and plug it in as it said checkmate on the screen, and it did it. I have to click allow very quickly, and here we go. You can see the script now running up on the screen of the iPad itself. This is it now booting into Pale Rain. Okay guys, so now you're back to me with the iPad itself, and you can see Pale Rain there on there. This was probably one of the more, not complicated, but there's so many different steps to follow while in the terminal. Oh, it's winding me up by the time we got that. So what we want to do is you then go onto Rain, and you get to then pick. Obviously, Cydia is older. I'm going to go with Cilio. Some people may prefer Zebra, so we're going to go and install Cilio right there, and we need to set a password for this device. Okay, set password, and it will now download and go through and download everything and get Cilio on to the main page. There it is, and that should now just open, and away we go. We are here and we are jailbroken. So now the world is your oyster. This one takes a lot less time than some of the other ones if you get it right, but there's a load of problems and stuff as we went through just then with unplugging, not using USB-C, USB-C to Lightning cables, making sure that you use a USB-A to get it in, so it actually puts it into DFU mode. Yeah, it's been a little bit more of a complicated one with the terminals and stuff. However, it's quick once you actually get the hang of it and to do it. So now this iPad is now jailbroken, so we are now done for iOS 18. Guys, I hope you are enjoying these. I've got a load of other videos. If you have any other older devices from the old first generation iPad all the way up through the minis, like iOS 10, iOS 9, iOS 12, now iOS 18. If there's anything else that you want to know about and learn how to jailbreak, let me know, and I can see if I can get my hands on one of those devices. But there's other videos as well once you're at this stage of how to get stuff like YouTube working and other applications, so go check out those videos in the playlists. Guys, if you have enjoyed this one, then do make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. Guys, if you want to support the channel even further, go check out the merchandise, and if you want to support it even further from that, then consider being a member. Hit that join button, come and join the family, and get perks along the way, like early access to videos, and I will catch everyone in the next one.